When your brand becomes trademarked, you unlock access to Amazon's secret weapon. And this is called EBC, short for Enhanced Brand Content. See, when you unlock EBC, you get access to A+ content. And now what you can do is actually build funnels on your Amazon page. What do I mean by funnels? I mean you can stack images, you can have infographics, you can actually cross-reference other products that are clickable that you can sell. You can add additional information, photos, you can unlock access to videos, and that's just a tip of the iceberg. You also get a dedicated team on Amazon's behalf that eliminates any hijackers or fraudulent listings that are taking place in front of your actual brand. So this is gonna help you out substantially. Number one, avoid hijackers. Number two, not have to worry about people hijacking your listing or impersonating your brand. And number three, this is going to increase your conversions like crazy because now you have access to all of these extra tools and resources. Now, at the beginning, I mentioned that when your brand becomes trademarked, in order to apply for EBC or enhanced brand content, you have to go through brand registry. And one of the main things that Amazon wants is you to be a trademark registered brand. Now, to apply for brand registry is absolutely free, but to actually get a trademark is not. Trademarks, depending on where you are and the classification of the trademark, can range anywhere between $500 all the way up to $2,000. I know that's a wide range, but sometimes you want to trademark multiple classifications, and sometimes it varies in different countries. So what you want to do is you want to reach out to someone who specializes in trademarks to get a more accurate quote on what it's going to cost to trademark your product or your brand. Now, what I recommend to a lot of my clients and a lot of my members at the AMZ formula is to start the trademark process earlier than later, because typically it takes around 6 months all the way up to a year. And I know that's a bummer, but it is well worth the wait. This is going to increase your brand notoriety, your intellectual property, help with the evaluation of your company, protect your company, and unlock access to EBC within brand registry. For more content and videos like this, make sure that you turn all of the notifications on my Instagram account. That way you're notified of every video, post, and live Q&A that I do. Also, check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100+ videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.